Hello guys, this is Channel Yang. Today we are going to repair a key of BMW. The problem is that it doesn't work because of damp. Take down the shell and the board. We can see that there is obvious corrosion in the electronic area. Measure the voltage and the voltage is only 1.0 volt. Now let's clean the corroded area and then repair the lines. We can see that there are lots of electrolytes in it. Okay, now let's measure the voltage if it's normal. So we can see that the voltage of each button is normal now. Okay, so our repairment is done. Bye guys.